I tell you this right now. You're beautiful. You're wonderful. You're spectacular. You're magnificent. You're amazing. You're wonderful. You do things where nobody else out the road can do. You see me? So boldness. Your system is just different. You understand me? Love you. Epic. When God a make you, him spend look extra time. Epic, how you talk to? Can't tell say you wanna listen news, you know. Me can't tell say you wanna listen news. You know hear them say fi boost your immune system. I boost up the immune system. So where you look for me suffer? Stand and go on like you that me a boost my immune system. Me a boost my immune system. Me have to boost up my immune system because if me no boost it up, nobody else start boost it up.
You know I rep epic flows.